How to delete mentions comment on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete mentions comment on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Instagram and head over to the comment section. So just go wherever you you were commented in, or wherever you were just wherever you were mentioned. So after you're there, what you can do is you can long press on that comment, and there you should find the delete option. Simply tap on delete. Now this is for the comment mentions which are done in your post. So as you can see, this is my post and that comment was made in my post. So all I had to do was long press on it and then delete it. Now, what you can actually do to delete comments on other posts is also really similar. Just long press on it and then tap on the delete button. After doing that, your that comment mention will get deleted and you're good to go. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.